in Philippines? You're right. Kumusta? Okay, again please. Kumusta? Okay, now we have YouTube channel. Podoy Healthy Laughter. Healthy, healthiness healthy. Sukap. Okay, Sukap. King Rain. Ready? Healthy. So when you say healthy, so when you are healthy, so you laugh or smile because we are healthy. But not healthy might become so, right? So no, not healthy. Okay, so hello, everybody say kumusta? Is that right? Okay, now we are going to demonstrating. I have two products from BUG. BUG means what is BUG? No, Bionic Union Gold. Okay, that is BUG. So this is BUG. So we have glutathione. Okay, glutathione, it's good for our health. This more of antioxidant. Antioxidant to protect cancer. Antioxidant. So also give us healthy body and skin. The skin smooth and skin whitening. So when you take this product, glutathione. So the other one, now we have Protfollic. Protfollic from BUG, Bionic Union Gold and Big Rich program. So Protfollic is more on vitamin C. So we need take vitamin C every day because vitamin C. What is the function of vitamin C? Vitamin C, vitamin C. So vitamin C to fight virus, bacteria, especially this pandemic, COVID-19. So this number one to fight for bacteria. Vitamin C is number one to fight bacteria or virus. So it's good to our health. Okay, is that right? So this already we have more products, but since we have enough time, so I introduce only two products from BUG, gluten and vitamin C or Protfollic. So now we are going to demonstrating about how the glutathione works. How glutathione it works well to our body. So if there is no if there's no effective, so it means just work to our body. So we will let us observe. I'm going to demonstrate. Pimika, please. Okay, we have the equipment to test the products if there's a mineral. What is mineral? Red hot. Red. Huh? Okay, in Thai, red hot. Okay, by the way, I'm Mr. Rolando, or you can call me Roland, from Philippines. So I'm teaching here in Thailand, almost 11 years. Sikit pila. Okay, so a member of BUG, Bionic Union Gold, more than two months. Yes, these products are good to our health. So again, please, how do you say sawadi in Philippines? Kumusta? Okay. Kumusta? How about Vietnam? So, ASEAN greetings. Vietnam, how do you say in Vietnam? Somebody, that is? Xin chào. Okay, xin chào. Xin chào. Singapore. Mình ka no. Ni hao. Okay, how about Laos? Spaghetti. Thailand. Okay, how about Brunei? Brunei, salamat. Selamat datang. Okay, how about Myanmar or Burma? Mingalaba. Cambodia. Susedai. Okay, Susedai. Okay, how about Malaysia? Selamat siang. Indonesia. So Indonesia the same as in Malaysia. Selamat siang. Okay, Indonesia and Malaysia again please. Selamat. Brunei. Selamat datang please. Larry. Selamat datang. Philippines. Kumusta. Okay, kumusta. Okay, good morning. Magandang umaga po. Good morning. Magandang umaga po. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 3, hey. Okay. So our something today is about health. So I can share you to test the products, the glutathione and polyfruit. To test there is minerals or red fat, okay. So now I'm going to demonstrate about glutathione. So how glutathione works? Okay. Chemical or distilled water I put here. Okay, put in the glass. Okay. So we drink water every day, right? So I mix with the yellow color, the yellow. So yellow means. So what can you say this color? What color is this? Okay, yellow. Yellow it means represents about dirty. What is dirty? So kapok, sabi? So our food, we can say our food is clean. Sometimes so kapok, dirty. So like this. So we drink or we eat food dirty. So it's dangerous to our health. Antalaya swapap. So again, we need put more. Okay. Okay, let us mix. So yellow, right? Yeah. Okay. Abi. Hút nào. Okay. So it's yellow, right? Okay, it's yellow. So it means dirty, sukapu. Yeah, it's also have a chemical. So some foods or vegetables or any foods have chemical and that's dirty. So now, so since the food are dirty, we take to our body. So we should take vitamins or herbal to clean our body, inside our internal body, internal organ. So when we take glutathione, there's a lot of minerals, antioxidant, so to clean our internal. Okay, let's try it. Okay, sir. Okay, then mix. Okay. So what's the color? Okay, change to white. So very good. Have you got this? So suka po palaw. So dirt is gone because of gluta. To clean our internal parts of our body. So if we take gluta, this is from Biotin Gold or BUG. So every day our health is healthy or sukhapap pingling tuwan. So if our body is healthy, we are happy. We consult tuwan. Okay, so it means very effective, right? Change to yellow, change to white color. It's clean, right? Okay. You ready? BUG. Power. Ready? BUG. Power. Again, please stand up.